In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix wrong battery percentage in Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that we can do is to run the power troubleshooter. So right click at the start button, select run. I'm just going to paste the command in here. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. So just simply copy that and paste it in the run window and click on OK. So troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems or the power troubleshooter, click on next. This will start detecting the issues that will give you on-screen instructions. So just simply follow that instructions and that will resolve the issues for you, okay? After doing so, right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, right-click at the start button and then you have to go to Device Manager. Once Device Manager window is opened, expand the list for batteries. And then right click on each driver, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Right click, update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Then you can also try to disable and then enable it again. So right click, select disable device, click on yes. Right click, select disable device and click on yes. After so you have to enable it again. So right click and then select enable device. Right click and then select enable device. You can also try to uninstall it. So right click, select the uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Right click, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Then after uninstalling the driver, right click at the start button. Then you have to shut down or sign out and then click on the restart button. Do not forget to restart after uninstalling each driver. After you have uninstalled it and you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.